Today on Tom's DIY, we are going to be making a goblet fire pit. Let's take a look. To start off the process, we take a 4x4 sheet of steel and place it on the plasma cutter. The unique thing about this plasma cutter is it uses stepper motors to cut out perfect shapes that we design using Fusion 360. This entire process takes about 20 minutes. Once the piece is cooled, we can then remove it from the plasma table and move it over to our fixture table. When the fire pit is secured to the fixture table, Tom can then begin to grind down all the sharp edges with a flap disc. After all the edges are smooth, Tom then takes a cutoff wheel and scores all the joints to make it easier for us to bend it into the goblet shape. Now Tom can bend each side into the goblet shape. This is really when the project starts to take form. Once he has everything about where he wants it, he can then go around and tack weld all the joints so nothing is going to move for the next step. Now we flip the goblet fire pit up on its side. This really allows Tom to get in there and put some stronger welds on all the joints. Then we move to the base. This is what the goblet fire pit is going to sit on. The base really allows air to flow through it well, and it also makes it easier for you to clean. Now let's take a look. Thank you guys so much for joining us on this episode of Tom's DIY. Hope you guys enjoyed the fire pit. There's going to be a lot more coming out soon. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and we'll see you guys next time. Today we are going to be making a fire pit. Let's take a look. Wow, that's amazing!